Hello, welcome to my channel, HerThingsRange. This will be my first ever video for this channel on YouTube and I hope you will enjoy it. I thought first to introduce myself. My name is Maria and I make handmade gemstone jewelry which I sell online, mainly on Etsy. And I thought it's a great platform to showcase my creations, and also from time to time when I pick up something energetically to suggest a particular gemstone that might be helpful for someone. Okay, and I thought also it would be nice because I always order a bunch of different materials, different beads, to do unboxing, which I have some beads today that I can show. I also thought it would be nice from time to time to pull some cards using my Keepers of the Light Oracle cards deck. I find it really helpful when I'm in need of some words of encouragement and just confirmation when I'm going through some challenge. I find that it's always very accurate for me, and I thought from time to time it might be helpful just to do it here, and it might be helpful for someone watching. What I usually do is I just shuffle and I just allow for 5 cards just to fall out individually, and then I just read the messages, and for me it's always really accurate. So I thought that would be nice. And I thought today to share with you something that I received today. I ordered it a few days ago from Amazon. My first ever Tibetan singing bowl, and I'm an absolute beginner. I've wanted one for some time, but they can be quite expensive, including, you know, with the shipping, and I thought I'm gonna treat myself. And I was researching on Amazon what company would be the best to try out for the first time, and I ordered from, I don't know if you're familiar with this, it's called Namaste, I think that's how they pronounce it, and I think it's a French based company. So it came in this bowl and it's got a little cushion. It's a nice size bowl to start off with, and it's got a good weight to it. It comes with this, I think it's a wand, or I'm not sure, a drum, I'm not sure. And it's got some engravings at the bottom. I don't know what they mean, but it came with a little piece of paper, and it just gives a brief history of the singing bowl. It apparently, well, it originates from Asia, and it dates back more than 4,000 years. Yeah. So I'll be practicing with that, which I'm sure my neighbors are not going to be happy to be hearing, because you can hear everything in my apartment building, but I don't care. So I thought once I get comfortable with it, I thought it'd be nice to share some of my playing. Yeah, so my channel will be evolving as I go on. I'll be, whatever I feel guided to share, I will share. And going on YouTube has been a huge thing for me in terms of confidence, having the confidence to put myself out there in this kind of a platform and in a spotlight, because I don't like to put myself out there. I'm very reserved. You know, you see my product, the most you'll see is my wrist and my listings with me wearing my bracelets, you know, videos turning my wrist, and so this is a huge thing for me. But I wanted to move into this new year overcoming a self-imposed restriction. So I hope that you will enjoy the things that I share. So now that I've made my introduction, I thought to show you my beads, but before I get to the beads, I thought I'll just play a little sound. And this is the first time I've ever held a singing bowl, the first time I've played, and just a few taps and the swirling is so powerful up close to hear it. I've only listened to it through YouTube channels that have healing music, which I really love to play when I'm at home. So if you can, I don't know if I'm going to try again, because before it didn't sound good at all. I think I'm being too tense. I think you need to relax with it. Right, let me try. So now that I've played a little bit of the singing bowl, I'll keep practicing. Hopefully it's not too bad. Okay, so I'll show you the gemstones I received yesterday before I work on them. They're fully stranded. Usually I work on new pieces over the weekend, and then during the weekday I'll photograph them and do the descriptions, and they'll be up on Etsy. So I'll start off with, most of these I've ordered before, but there are a few that I haven't received before, first time. Okay, so we have this lovely blue chalcedony, gorgeous, if you can see it, really lovely blue, nice. I love all colors. I like to play around with colors. Okay. We've got faceted black moonstone. I love moonstone. It's like a grey. I don't know if you can see it. See it? Nice. One of my favorites. I was planning on doing a video on black moonstone because it's really great to work with the new moon energy and to invite in positive changes. So I'll do a separate video on that one. I've got kiwi jasper. And we've got rose quartz. I think just about everyone knows about rose quartz. It's a wonderful stone for just love, self-love, just compassion for self, healing, soothing, great. And then we've got this one, grey Picasso jasper. My dog wants to go down from the sofa. And we have like a clear dark purple chalcedony, you can see. And then I have some fire agates, really nice markings. I got like an orangey one, like a coffee brown one, and then it's like a brownie grey, really nice. And some dragon's vein. I love dragon's vein. It's really good for improving the flow of luck and just a positive, just to boost positivity. This one's really cool. It looks like an eye. I don't know if you can see it clearly. No. And a blue one. Look at this, lovely blue. Nice deep blues. And brown, grey. Oh yes, this orangey one. This is nice. This is a dragon's vein as well. Ocean blue spotted jasper. I've got a blue shell howlite. A white faceted jade. This is like a faceted ruby red chalcedony. And then I have a deep purple chalcedony. So these are the beads, all 8 mm's. That's my favorite size. And then I ordered some really fun playful beads because I like to do all around plain gemstone bracelets and necklaces. And then I like to do evil eye because that's a huge thing in my Greek culture, to always carry something with an evil eye. But I also like to do playful combinations using gemstones. So I ordered these ceramic little stars, smiley face. Okay, so I can see that my battery is going to run out on my phone soon. Princess, she's tired. So yeah, once I work with these things, I'll do videos showing my new arrivals once they're on the system. I've already worked on some stuff from last weekend, and I'm nearly done on adding them onto Etsy. So I'll do another video in a few days' time. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you've enjoyed it, press the like button and subscribe. It would be great to grow my channel and also to build a community of like-minded people to engage with. So have a great rest of the day or evening or great morning, and goodbye.